We're gonna do fireworks. Our own little,
Here, Eric, hold
little mini. Ah! Don't get that. Don't do that. Here, let me hold it. I'll hold this one.
Okay, hold it. You got it? Wait. Can you light it?
Oh no. Look, I'm holding it.
Oh,
So I'm gonna go. I'm spelling my name A-N-D-R-E. We're starting off with the sparkle. I'm gonna make a video of the whole thing. Our whole miniature fireworks show. We have the little ones, not the big ones that go in the air. Look at the little sparkler. Where should I put them afterwards? Let's throw them in the puddle. Shall we?
no.
Chuck them on the floor.
On the floor, Alan, because you don't want like anything burning down right now.
I dipped mine in
And
the.
tomorrow we'll pick them up and put them in the trash.
I dipped them in the puddle so it could cool off. There's a thing.
But you.
Okay. Oh wow, look. I hear thunder. Let's
Just put on the floor here. Like,
and yeah, let's get the big one. Let's get the big firework.
Let's start off with a bang. Yeah, let's get a big one.
Let's get a big firework. No.
Why don't you guys bring them? Okay, bring them.
Oh, these trees got pretty tall. Yeah. Did they?
Yeah, they are tall trees.
They're tall, very tall.
Alright, let's go. Eric has another firework. My camera's can't really pick it up. So, you know,
Alright, get away.
I don't have high definition. Uh-oh, you see that? Let's see if it... Woo! Woo! That was loud.
That's a long one.
Loud.
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock, I don't know.
Yeah, it's not even 9, so it's, well, you know,
It's still, we can still see. It's still daylight. Now let's do the next one. See, that's the lighter over there. Oh, run! This one's probably not gonna be as big. Let's see it. Woo! Oh crap! That went high.
I like these better. They're not noisy.
Yeah, it's not the firecrackers. Oh,
Yay.
that was cool. Alright, go get another one. Get 2 more.
Yeah.
We're gonna be making a lot of smoke in the neighborhood. Look at all that smoke. Look at it. Ugh, it looks like it's
Oh, yeah.
foggy.
Oh, wow.
See, this is next one.
So I guess we didn't have to close the window. Oh wow, look, Eric got a big round one. Big one.
I'm forgetting the smoke alarm's gonna go on. No,
The smoke alarm's gonna go in that.
buried back there.
Alright, I know, we're gonna do a smaller one. Let's see what it does. Woo! At the end of that.
Look at the smoke over there.
Camera can't see. Alright, this is gonna be a big one.
Plug your ear.
Oh crap, get away.
Plug your ear.
Oh. Woo!
to get a ground sweat because
Firecracker.
they don't last long.
Wow.
We're waking up the whole neighborhood.
It's 9 o'clock, so it's not so bad.
Poor these guys over there. Wait, that was big.
That was the biggest one.
Oh my god, I thought I was gonna get burned by that. That got close.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a house over there, those lights. It must be getting real disturbed from that.
From big to tiny.
Oh, we're gonna do a little candle thingy and a big one.
The little ones are still pretty good.
And they do the small one first. I'll go close up. We're gonna do the little one.
Andrew, get away.
It's not gonna be that big, I don't think. You see? Just that little.
Pink thing.
That's the little. I don't know what you call it.
That's Eric.
That's what Eric is.
Call
That's
him Eric.
that's Eric's fireworks.
Yeah. It's a lot of smoke, considering.
Oh god. Oh my god, it looks like it's foggy.
Okay, film.
Alright, here.
Because we can't go to a
Maybe
4th of
plug
July
your-
show, right? Fireworks
This is our
show.
style. Woo!
Oh, I heard
That's cool.
moving. Better than the-
Yeah, I like these less noisy ones.
That was a good one.
I'm gonna
That was
do
nice.
Consider it to your neighbors.
Get a couple more. We bought a huge box and we're doing it all tonight.
This one or
Yeah, that one.
we did this one?
No, we didn't. We did that one. We just did that one.
This one.
Yeah.
Wait, Eric, wait.
No, these are.
Oh, better film. Okay. There it goes. It's gonna. What happened? Well, what happened? What is it doing?
This is the style. This is the design.
Oh, there it goes.
It's like lightning, but it's not from the sky. And
Yeah, this looks so bright.
Pretty bright, this one.
here's 3 more.
It might explode. That one wasn't that big like the other ones.
Hopefully, I don't wake up in the night and there's a big fireball in the front yard.
Oh well. I'm gonna go with this. We have the whole line of them. You can't see it. We have a whole line going. Look, my hand's in front of the thing. You can't see it. There's this one. I better back up. Woo! Oh wow, that's cool. Ah no, I'm not. It's gonna pop my eardrums.
I plugged my ears and it kind of sounded like it was raining really hard.
Really?
Yeah.
If there's any animals around, that'll probably scare them away, right?
Yeah.
And probably the smoke will too.
Well,
This is a bigger one.
this is the biggest one so far.
Oh, this is the biggest.
Yeah.
Plug your ears. I bet.
Uh-oh. Oh wow, look. Miniature fireworks that go in the air.
It's like mini fireworks.
Woo! That's cool.
It's called wartime. If I have a jacket.
Whoa, that's cool.
Uh-oh.
Oh no! Oh my god. That must be going all over our town, right?
Everybody's suffocating except for us. The smoke.
Okay.
This is the last one?
I don't know. I think
There should be more. That can't be it.
this might be the last one. Come on later.
The lighter's not working. Come on, it's the last one. Oh, there you go. Oh no. There we go. Let's see. Whoa. We didn't see this before. This is cool. Woo.
Is that it? That's everything?
Eric, check if there's more.
Nice.
That was cool. Eric, check if there are any more. Maybe we'll finish it off with.
Happy.
There's more. False alarm. There's more.
Well, those little, they got the little ones.
Andre.
They got the little ones.
I can't see anything. It's you see, look,
This is the last
pitch
video.
black. You can't see
Are you
anything.
still recording?
And you got those little ones.
The little ones?
3 little ones. How about you let those 3 little ones like at the same time?
Yeah.
Huh.
Well, what kind of video are you doing? 'Cause it's still recording.
Firework video.
There's a fog over there.
It's gonna be such a long
Let's go,
video.
hold on, let's go look at the fog.
The what?
Ah, the fog.
You can't see. My camera can't pick it up when it's foggy. All our smoke. Look at that. It's like a cloud. Ew. It looks like a cloud. Look at that. Eric, don't give me coronavirus. Stop sneezing on me. Get away. Ugh. The fireworks smell like smoke. The little ones, seriously? Alright, well, finish it off with little fireworks.
I got other ones.
It's just a what the heck was that?
Puny. That's like.
The little puny candles.
It was like a,
Oh, it's like a little baby candle.
It's a little candle, not that big.
Put that on like someone's birthday cake.
That one was better. Got the red one.
and then they just light on
Look at
fire.
all smoke. Look at all that smoke in there. It's just a little.
That's just such, yeah, that's such a
That
tiny
little candle. Oh, the better back up. This is a bigger one.
Taddy, you
This is
missed
gonna be the
one.
grand finale, even though it's not that big. This is gonna.
the big one for Greg.
3 or 4 down there.
It's only one. It's the last one of the day. Ooh.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah, that was a good fireworks show.
This one?
No,
You missed one of the little ones.
doesn't matter. Alright, let me finish it
You
here.
missed this one. There's one more one of those little ones.
But that's not a good grand finale.
This is the grand finale.
Is it?
Alright, that was our fireworks show.